All right, so let's continue exercise 5, test 2, part 1. A mass of 2 kilograms goes up to an 30-degree inclined plane. At point A, which is 2 meters per second, the mass goes up and returns to point A with velocity 1 meters per second. All right, so to do this, let's just draw our forces, right? So we got, our force, which is mg, perpendicular to the mg. We know we're going to have mg cosine theta. Following, we're going to have sine. All right, so we're going to have mg sine of theta, and then we're going to have normal force. So the normal force we know is going to be equal to mg cosine theta. All right, so question A states, let me change. Find the work done by the friction force. So we know that friction force equals normal force times u, which equals mg cosine of theta times u. So we know our mass was 2 grams. It was 2 kilograms. 2 kilograms. Gravity is 9.8. Cosine of 30 degrees times 0.3. So our friction force comes out to, what was it? It's 2 times 9.8 cosine of 30 times 0.3. 5.09. 5.09. So we know that's going to be our friction force. For part B, it's saying if oh wait, no, hold on, I'm confused. Because they're asking us to find the work and not the friction force. Sorry. All right, so work is times distance. 0.3. All right, so we know our work is going to be 1/2 meters 5 squared minus 1/2 mass of initial squared. So 1/2 mass of 2 kilograms, and our final was 1, I believe. Yes, it'll be 1 squared minus 1/2 of 2, and we started at 2. So we get, all right, we got that. So it becomes 2 over 2 minus 8 over 2. So we end up with 1 minus 4 minus 3. So our work is -3. All right, so for part B, it's saying if mu is 0.3, what distance can travel the mass until it hits velocity 0? Velocity 0. All right, so where's my pencil? Okay, so to do this, we get our net work equals our kinetic displacement, which we know is going to be 0 minus 1/2 mass of initial velocity. So we end up with, over here, 1/2 of 2, and it says velocity 0. You know the initial velocity is 0, so initial, well, final is gonna be 0, so 2 is gonna be our initial, so 2. So 2 squared. So we end up with 8, so -8/2, so the final is 4. So the distance traveled when it reaches 0, it will be 4.